Do you know what slow motion is? Do you know? This is slow motion. Hello everybody. So today I'm going to teach you about more push-ups. This time, explosive push-ups. I'm going to teach you about explosive push-ups. This is an explosion. In an explosive push-up, you're using all of your power, all of your force, and you're using it as fast as possible. So power and speed. In a normal push-up, you go down and you go up at a normal speed, at regular speed. But in an explosive push-up, you go down, but you explode up. Down, but explode up. With power and with speed, you're moving your body as fast as possible. Power and speed to move your body as fast as possible, as explosive as possible. When you have enough power and speed, you put them together and you do explosive push-ups. Okay? So that's what I'll show you. I'll show you 4 levels of explosive push-ups, from easiest level to the hardest level. Now, just one more thing before we start. My advice, my recommendation to you is that you need to be able to do at least 25 regular push-ups, okay? Before you do explosive push-ups, you need to be able to do at least 25. So 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 25, okay? That's important. You need to have a foundation. When you exercise or when you work out, it's always good. It's really good to find your level, the proper level. So if you're level 1, then you shouldn't be doing level 5 exercises. If you're level 2, then you shouldn't be doing level 10 exercises. You have to find your level, the proper level. It's good to find your level and then from there, challenge yourself. Give yourself a good challenge, but not too much, right? Find your level. Okay, so let's do it. 4 levels of explosive push-ups. Level 1 is normal explosive push-ups, okay? Push-up position, I'm coming down and I'm exploding up. So I'm trying to get high off the ground. I'm trying to explode from the ground. I'm down, explode, explode, explode. And of course, make sure you breathe. Inhale down. Level 1, explosive push-ups. Level 2, we're going to add a clap. This is clapping, okay? So I'm in push-up position. I'm coming down, explode from the bottom, and clap, okay? Clap. Level 2, down, explode, clap. That's harder than level 1. That's why it's level 2. Okay? Are you ready for level 3? Level 3 is hard. It's going to be a clap in the front, but then also a clap in the back. So 2 claps, double clap explosive push-ups. Okay? You ready? This is hard. Try it. Or if you're ready, try it. Not if you're not ready. You'll hit your face. Ah, don't do that. Okay, double clap. Oof. Got him. Woo. Last one, the final push-up, level 4, is going to be flying squirrel push-ups. Flying squirrel. Do you know what a squirrel is? This is a squirrel. Some squirrels can fly. It's amazing. So these are flying squirrel push-ups. Because watch, I look like a squirrel. I can't talk while I'm doing those, but that's a flying squirrel push-up. Arms are out, my legs are out, like I'm flying. One more time. Flying squirrel push-ups. Good job. Okay, so I didn't know if I would show you the last push-up. The last push-up, it's level 1000. It's the hardest push-up possible. This is called a push the earth push-up. So when I push up, I'm going to push the earth. I'm going to push the earth. Are you ready? Okay, everybody. Did you learn some new vocabulary? Are you happy that you got more comprehensible input? I hope so. What is your favorite push-up? Can you do explosive push-ups? Let me know in the comments. We'll have a few more videos. We'll have a few more videos in this series. I'll teach you more about push-ups. If there's anything else that you want to see or that you want me to talk about or show you, then just let me know. You know how it goes. Subscribe to the channel, like, share it with your friends that want to learn English, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.